me to another dimension, far beyond the reality. I fly away from these evil voices, wasting time to meet my destiny. It brings me back to my childhood and the hateful memories. The show is rolling before my eyes. Once again I see the tragedy. Dreamland is calling, I'm drifting away, far from the shadows that's haunting my day. Now I can see the old world hillside, the place where we used to play. It brings me closer to the place I feel, the place where my best friend passed away. I didn't mean it, I didn't know that what I did made it fall dead to the ground. I get to see the scene repeated, and then I hear the voices call. The dreamland is showing the dark of my past, one with the shadows the die has been cast. And I love nightmare seems so real. There is no way to be free. I must return in my body. I will die if I don't wake up. The voices say that I should stay. I wish that I could make them stop. The dreamland is hell now, I know it for sure. I need to stay alive, and this ain't no cure. It forced me to stay, falling apart with every beat of my heart. The frost in my soul is so cold.